In this session, we are going to discuss about solar system. We know that we all are living on the surface of Earth, right? Earth is revolving around Sun. It is taking around 365 days to complete its one revolution. In our solar system, there are 8 planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All planets are revolving around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So in our solar system there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, the Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Now we can discuss about the properties of each of the planet. First we can discuss about Sun. Sun is giving light to us, right? Sun is the main source of energy. Because of Sun, we are living on the surface of Earth. The Sun is the nearest star from the Earth. All other stars are far away from Earth. We are not getting light from them. But Sun is the nearest star from the Earth. We are getting light from the Sun. The Sun is giving huge amount of light to the Earth. The Sun is the source of energy of all planets in solar system. Planets. A celestial body moving in an elliptical orbit around a star is planet. All the planets are revolving around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. It's not circle, it is ellipse. It is an orbit and each orbit is elliptical in shape. Orbit. A planet has definite path in which it revolves around the Sun. This path is called orbit. So what is an orbit? Each and every planet rotates the Sun in a fixed path. That fixed path is known as orbit. Time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called its period of revolution. For Earth, the period of revolution is 365 days, that is 1 year. It will take 1 year to complete its revolution around the Sun. The time taken by a planet to complete one revolution is called period of revolution. Now we can discuss about period of rotation. We know that Earth is rotating about its own axis, right? A planet rotates on its own axis. The time taken by a planet to complete one rotation is called its period of rotation. For Earth, the period of rotation is 24 hours. Now we can discuss about each planet. Mercury. The first planet is Mercury, which is very close to Sun. What are the properties of Mercury? The planet Mercury is nearest to the Sun. It's the smallest planet of our solar system. So there will be a question for exam. Which is the smallest planet of our solar system? Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is very difficult to observe because it is very close to Sun. So because of the sunlight, it is not visible. Most of the time it is not visible. It can be observed just before sunrise or just after sunset. And Mercury is not having any satellite. Next one is Venus, Shukra. Venus is Earth's nearest planetary neighbor. It is brightest planet in the night sky. We can see sometime Venus in the eastern sky before sunrise. Sometimes it appears in the western sky just after sunset. Therefore, it is often called morning or evening star. Venus has no moon or satellite of its own. Next one is the Earth. The Earth is the only planet in solar system on which life is known to exist. Some special environmental conditions are responsible for the existence and continuation of life on the Earth. The distance between the Earth and Sun is suitable for the existence of life in the Earth. The temperature is not too much high and it is not too much low. And presence of water and suitable atmosphere and blanket of ozone. These kind of things are suitable for the existence of life in the Earth. Next one is Mars. It appears slightly reddish and therefore it is also called red planet. Mars has two small natural satellites. Next one is Jupiter. Jupiter is largest planet of the solar system. It is the largest one. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. It is so large that about 1300 Earth can be placed inside this giant planet. Around 1300 planet Earth can be accommodated inside this Jupiter. It rotates very rapidly on its axis. Jupiter has large number of satellites. It is also has faint rings around it. You can easily recognize Jupiter as it appears quite bright in the sky if you observe it with the help of a telescope. Next one is Saturn. Saturn appears yellowish in color. The position of Saturn is beyond Jupiter. It's a beautiful planet because of its ring, and Saturn also has large number of satellites. Next one is Uranus and Neptune. These are the outermost planets of the solar system. They can be seen only with the help of large telescope. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com